So, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem B of today's contest. The string has a target. So, in this problem, we are given a string, and in one operation, what we can do, we can took any character of the string, or we can took any index of a string from 1 to n, and we can place the character at that particular index from that index to the first one. Let us suppose we are given the string as a b a c d. We can took the fourth index and take it out from this particular place and put it on the first. Then the string will become a b a c d. So we have to do exactly one operation of this kind, and we have to find the minimum string, or the lexicographically minimum string, which we can get after doing this operation exactly once. We are given few sample test case CBA. In this case, we can took the character A and place it to the first one at the beginning. Then the ACB is the minimal string that we can get. Similarly, in the AC we can took the character A and put it at the first, then it will become AACC. In the third test case, there is no other option because A is the first character, and if we put any of the character in the rest to the first, it will be starting from B. Let us suppose we are given AB. Wait a second. So we are given A, ABB, CB. Right? Now, if we try to put any of the character from this to the first, then it will be starting from B or C, right? It can have anything, but this particular string is always minimum than this one because it is starting from A, and all these are starting from the character which is greater than A. So the first observation we can get from here is that if we want to put any character before it to make it the lexicographically minimum string, then the character should be less than or equal to the first character. What I mean by that is, if the first character is E, suppose, then it is always beneficial to put A, B, C, D or E at the first. Putting F at the first will become the it not become the lexicographically minimum, because the given string is always minimal that putting the greater character at the first. So this is the first observation, that we have to put a character which is less than or equal to the first character, right? Now, if you if we try to think greedily, what we can do, we can take any character which is the minimal character starting from A, that is, if there A character or not, if there is B character not, like that. Suppose we are given a string like E, B, A, C, Z, and let us suppose F, right? In greedy approach, what we can do, if we want to make a lexicographic in a minimum string, then we can put the minimum character at the first, which will make the entire string as minimal as possible. So with what we can do, we can took the minimal character A and put it at the first, then the string will become E, B, A, Z, F. So this is the minimum string, but there is also a edge case, that let us suppose the string is like EBA, or this string AABA, AABA. So if we try to put this A at the first, then it will become AAB and A. So it is that string only. But if we try to put this string, this particular character at the first, then the string will become AAAB. So what another observation we get from here is that we we should try to put the minimal character from the end. That is, let us suppose if this string was given and in the end it was given like that a and b, then by putting this character at the first we are getting a e b a c z f a b, and putting this character at the first we will get a e b c b a c z f and b. Now from this to this all are same, right? But from this we know that c is always greater than a, so this string in which we took the minimal character from the beginning is not the minimum string or lexicographically minimum string. So for getting the lexicographically minimum string, we get another observation that the character which we are picking, that is the minimum one, that should be from the end. So this was the two conditions. The first one is that the minimum character from the rest of the string excluding the first character should be less than or equal to the first character, and if it is less than equal to the first character we have to pick that character from end. I will show you the code. So what I have done here is I have taken the input and I have initialized two variable minimum character I have get till now and the position from which that particular character belongs to. Now in the loop from 1 to n minus 1 I have not considered the first character, and in the rest of the characters I am finding if that current character is minimal from the minimum character we have got before. If it is minimal than the minimum character we have got before, then we will update the minimum character and we will update the position from where we got this particular character. And in the first case we are checking if it is less than or equal to the first character or not. If it is greater than first character, then the given string is only lexicographically minimum string. Otherwise we will just put that particular character in the first position and we will print the first character which was initially will be our second character now. And for all the characters which is not equal to the position which we have printed previously, we will print all the characters in sequence. And this is all about the solution of this problem. I hope you like it. You can subscribe to my channel or you can ask me in the comment section if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching the video.